Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a really good week so far. So obviously by this clip, it is very obvious that I completely forgot to film an intro. So here we go. Let's get ready for the intro. Well, that was all I had to say. So, okay. Oh my god. Okay, so today I decided to do a grungy eye. You'll see in the video I am an awful YouTuber. So, okay, I'm gonna stop talking now because I don't know what I'm, rambling on about. So, okay, I didn't do an intro, so this is my intro. Let's get into the video. So first things first, I'm starting off with a base. I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Pro palette. I'm going to be picking up this really nice white color, and I'm going to be using that as the base to just set my primer and concealer. Now I'm going to be picking up this really nice light cream shade, and I'm going to be using that as a subtle transition. Sometimes I like to put down really light shades first, just so everything looks super smooth, or at least I think it looks super smooth. Now I'm going to dip into this corally color, and I'm going to use that to bring some depth and grunginess to the eye. I'm bringing this color a lot closer to the brow bone than I normally would. Definitely taking it above those transition colors. I just really want that to be the main color of this eye, that nice, burnt orange, because we're going to turn that kind of into like a rusty dark orange later. Okay, so now I'm going to be picking up a flatter brush, and I'm going to be taking this brown color and I'm going to be blending that onto the entire lid and making sure that it blends really nicely into the orange color. This is when like the real grunginess begins. So now going into my Tartelette and Bloom palette, I'm going to be picking up this really nice dark mauve color, and I'm going to use that to blend the coral color and the brown color together. So hopping right back into the Tarte palette, I'm going to be picking up this really gorgeous dark navy blue metallic color, and I'm going to be taking a flat brush, spritzing that with some setting spray, and I'm going to be putting that all over the lid. Now going into this dark brown color, I'm going to be picking that on a definer brush, and I'm going to be working that into my crease to darken everything up. Okay, hopping back over to that beautiful burnt orange shade, I'm going to be taking that on a fluffy brush and just bringing some more of that coral back. Now I'm really taking this really high, pretty much all the way to my brow bone, just to bring that beautiful orange rusty color back. For my bronzer, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer. This is quickly becoming my go-to. As you guys can see from my past couple of videos, I really want to integrate more bronzers into my routine, so I gotta do some shopping. Now I'm gonna go into the Too Faced Natural Face. I got this as a birthday present from my mom, and I know I didn't show the shades, but I really like to take the two middle blushes. I don't know their names yet, but I really like to mix those two because the top blush is very, very light, but the bottom blush is very, very dark, so when I mix them, it's perfect. Now hopping into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aura palette, I'm gonna take the color Helia because it has a really nice green pinkish tint to it, and I think it'll just go perfect with this eye. I'm just gonna put it on all the points on my face where the light hits me. For my lips, I'm going to be taking the NYX Lip Lingerie. I believe this color is in Liply or Liply. This is such a gorgeous brown color that I've got to admit, I don't really go to it very much, but I'm going to start changing that very soon because I actually like the way I look in it. Just for some extra drama, I decided to take a little bit of Helia on my lip, and I'm just going to tap that in. I actually like the way it looks. It looks really nice and metallic-y. This is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And that's it for me. Bye!
I still married her.
Oh,
You still married me.
he knew.
I mean, I'm just saying.
You knew that she was your sister? You knew? You knew?
We're both allergic to grass. We have the same toes. We have the same blood type. We're the same. I knew there was something, and I looked into it.
But I thought that you were my soulmate. I thought that you knew and you never told me.
Because it doesn't matter.
Yes, it
We
does.
found each other out of all the
That's
people.
weird.
We found each other.
Don't touch me.
Nothing's changed.
Don't
Nothing has to
Don't
change.
touch me. Get away from me. This is disgusting. You are my brother. I had sex with you. You took my virginity.
Lisa.
Brian, it's over.
We're best friends. It's over, Ryan.
That's gross. That's nasty.